How to fix Roblox Error Code 262 on Android. This tutorial shows you how to resolve the "there was a problem receiving data" error and get back into the game. First, check your internet connection and try switching between Wi-Fi and mobile data to see which one gives you a more stable connection. After that, open your Settings app and tap on Connections. Then tap on Mobile Networks. From there, tap on Network Mode and switch it to LTE or 5G preferred to make sure your device is on the strongest available band. At this point, go back to your home screen and long press on the Roblox icon and tap App Info. In the next step, tap on Storage and then tap Clear Cache to clear out any corrupted data that could be causing the receiving error. Following this, go back to App Info and tap on Battery and set it to Unrestricted so Roblox isn't being cut off in the background while trying to receive data. Once done, open the Play Store and search for Roblox. Tap Update if one is available, since outdated versions are a common cause of this specific error. From here, if the error continues, go back to Settings and tap on General Management, then tap Reset and select Reset Network Settings to clear any network configuration issues. At this stage, your device will restart automatically. Once it boots back up, open Roblox and try connecting again. Finally, if the problem still hasn't gone away, it may be a server-side issue on Roblox's end. Check their social media or status page to see if there's an ongoing outage. And that's it. If this guide helped you fix Roblox Error Code 262 on your Android, give it a like, subscribe for more Roblox tutorials, and tap the bell icon for updates. See you in the next one.